Hi, I'm Cameron Schell, President and CEO of Draganfly, and I'm here with my good friend, Jamar Williams, founder and CEO of PromoDrone. Draganfly and PromoDrone have partnered up to create the ultimate public safety UAV system that's set to revolutionize both the emergency management and promotion space.
Whenever a commercial drone is in the air, people take notice. Whether it is the spectacle or sound of a large flying object, people always look up and point their cell phones. And that's how PromoDrone was born. We engineered stable messaging platforms to hang highly visible traditional signage from drones, and now we're flying progressive ad campaigns for major brands, corporations, influencers, and even individuals wanting to make an important announcement. We grab attention and engage curiosity in a unique way for lasting impact. And then I met Cameron and learned about what Draganfly drones were doing for public safety and emergency management, and this whole thing took off.
Draganfly engineers innovative drone solutions, software, and AI systems that improve public safety through risk management, and we continue to support emergency operations globally. 2 weeks ago, our teams and technology were being put to use in Ukraine, assisting with the evacuation of a region that had been flooded, which landmines had potentially been displaced and submerged. The technology that is about to be unveiled here would have been incredibly effective during that evacuation. Draganfly and PromoDrone are proud to present the Starling X.2 to the world. Draganfly has integrated PromoDrone's brand new, vivid, state-of-the-art digital screen communication platform onto the Commander 3 XL, our most versatile airframe to date. The result is an incredibly stable, agile, weather-resistant, and highly configurable communication solution that has no equal.
This robust UAV communication platform is set to revolutionize drone-based advertising and emergency management. This configuration features independently functioning, dual bright high-resolution video displays, which can relay any image, message, or video that our customers desire, with the ability to easily shuffle messaging on the fly to be able to react to an evolving emergency management operation or to facilitate dynamic multi-messaging ad campaigns. Whether flying game day promotions and updates in a stadium or ad campaigns for major brands at public events, the Starling X.2 is taking brand engagement to new heights. But what we are most excited about is how the Starling X.2 and our new partnership with Draganfly is going to impact public safety and emergency operations around the world.
There's an immediate demand and application for the Starling X.2 by our existing partners and clients in both the private and public sector in the emergency services space. Not only will this UAV system be used to communicate early warning messaging and evacuation details in disasters like floods, storms, and earthquakes, but this new digital screen system is also an invaluable resource for disaster response operations to relay critical information in environments where communication infrastructure has been destroyed. It can simultaneously display real-time maps, emergency contact numbers, as well as available resources and sheltering options. It can also serve as a physical line of sight muster point in disaster situations, large gatherings, or rallies, and bring attention to missing person notifications in populated areas.
With the Starling X.2's capacity to change messaging on the fly, not only will it be the central information hub for attendees and sponsors to create engagement, but it becomes a potential life-saving tool should an emergency situation arise at any event.
This is only scratching the surface of the capabilities that the Starling X.2 can provide to clients. Draganfly has engineered aerial systems and sensors capable of providing live video feeds, communication, and real-time data collection at public events to minimize risk associated with large gatherings. The Starling X.2 is highly customizable for application-specific use cases across industry. Drone technology is offering a new frontier in risk management, and we look forward to blazing this trail with PromoDrone and sharing our innovative solutions to help reduce response times, increase situational awareness, and improve overall public safety during large events and emergency management operations.
Together, this winning system strategically reimagines promotion and communication platforms across multiple sectors to deliver crucial information in new and satisfying ways.